Direct procurement is your production lifeline, the raw materials and parts that shape what you sell. When it's delayed or disrupted, your entire supply chain suffers, and so does your bottom line. Just ask Airbus. Still facing aircraft delays through 2027, their direct procurement network faltered, stalling production and revenue. Because when suppliers slip, the whole business slows down. So how do you turn that risk into an edge? Streamlining direct procurement means less chaos, more control. Automation and real-time data turn bottlenecks into breakthroughs, fueling agility and speed. But process alone isn't enough. You need a plan. Top procurement leaders plan with data, diversify suppliers before disruption hits, and collaborate early, engineering to finance. That's how procurement becomes a strategic force. But how do you bring all that to life? Zycus brings production-grade orchestration to direct procurement. Its supplier collaboration platform ensures BOM accuracy and faster ASN cycles. AI risk agents scan disruptions early, improving supplier response time by 30%. Real-time visibility boosts OTIF performance and lowers material costs by up to 5%. Direct procurement is no longer back office. It's your power move with Zycus behind it. Request a demo now.